Hey everybody, Josh here from Lexus of Edmonton on the west end. Today I'm changing the differential fluids in an NX 200T. This vehicle's here at its regular service interval. We recommend doing differential fluids, transfer case fluids at about 64,000 kilometers, and that's with most Lexus vehicles. So the differential itself, what that does, it's located at the rear of the car, and on the front in all-wheel drive vehicles. So what that does, your differential allows your wheels to turn at different speeds when you're making a turn. So we want to make sure we keep that set of gears lubricated at all times. We want to keep that fluid clean so less parts wear and that doesn't turn into a costly repair. So I'm going to go ahead and change the fluid today. Okay, we want to make sure we're changing all of our fluids at the recommended intervals, especially here in this colder climate here in Canada. The fluid's the lifeblood of your vehicle, and we want to make sure we're doing that, changing our fluids when recommended. It's going to make your vehicle last a lot longer. If you guys have any more questions or concerns that you'd like to ask us here at the dealership, anything that goes on in the shop, just hit us up on Facebook or Instagram.